What is going on, everybody? It's your boy Stas here. Welcome back to another video. So we have to break down SoFi stock in this one as we're getting into another big week for the stock market. We have to break down the charts, my thoughts, where I see SoFi stock going, and we have to do an update on the numbers as, guys, the last time we broke down the numbers, the stock was much lower. So guys, hit the like button. Do not forget to subscribe and get your free stocks from Mumu. Check out the link down below. Once you open up your account and fund it with at least $100, you get 5 free stocks and a $30 cash reward. And fund your account with at least $1,000, you get 10 more stocks. And overall, for now, your uninvested cash will earn up to 8.1% APY, which, guys, it's a no-brainer. So use that link down below or go to stassurfest.com/Mumu and let's get right into the video. So check it out. On Friday, SoFi stock went up almost 4%, gaining on top of what we've been seeing, right? Pretty much every day has been a green day for SoFi, and we hit almost $16 during the day. It looks like we hit $15.75 intraday on Friday, and we hit it in the aftermarket as well. We hit $15.75, and then we sold off a little bit heading into close. But man, we had a killer green day on Friday to close off the week after having a very good week across the board, right? We had another green day on Friday to wrap up the week. And look, on Monday, we started off at $13.66 in the pre-market. So essentially, guys, from top to bottom last week, we went up around 15%, from $13.66 all the way up to $15.75. And here on the 20-day chart, you guys can see, do you remember that ascending triangle we called out on SoFi? It's old news now, but clearly that played out this past week. The bulls obviously dominated. And on this time frame, you can see when the company reported earnings at the end of last month, we were under $10. So let's quickly calculate how SoFi stock has done this month to date, pretty much, roughly. So it looks like we started off the month at about $10.90 roughly, and now we're at $15.75. We're up 44% month to date, guys. You heard that right. Unbelievable, man. If I had a drink right now, I'd cheers you guys. That is ridiculous, right? Yeah, we see that triangle playing out. We're obviously above the moving averages. We have a golden cross, the whole 9 yards here on SoFi, and here on the 4-hour time frame, guys, we're noticing it is pretty overbought. It is. And on my live stream yesterday, I was talking about SoFi a little bit, and somebody commented on my video asking me, Stas, would you buy SoFi now? Would you start a position now? And I kept it real with him. Honestly, first of all, I said, where were you the last couple of months? Why are you waiting till now to start a SoFi position? First of all, that's what I said. I mean, your time was, March, April, May, June, July, August. And that's the thing. Sometimes with stocks, when they're beaten down, they're flat, they're kind of forgotten. Nobody wants to buy them, but when they're taken off, they're up 100%, 150% in the last couple of weeks. That's when everybody wants to buy them, right? It's funny how the psychology behind this stuff works. It's crazy. It really is crazy. And I told that guy, look, I wouldn't buy now. Honestly, if I were starting a position right now, I would not buy the stock, right? I just wouldn't, unless it was a small dollar cost average type of position, right? If you told me, Stas, I love the company, I want to be in it for years, all right, go ahead, buy a little bit, nibble a little bit, start your position. But if you were like, Stas, I want to go all in, maybe a shorter term trade here, I'd be like, whoa there, buddy, hit the brakes, calm down a little bit. you might be, messing around in treacherous waters right now, because the reality is we're overbought. We are, and we're very extended above these moving averages on the 4-hour chart. And I'm not saying I'm a bear now, I'm shorting it. I'm not at all. Trust me. But I'm living in reality. And guys, I think we're due for some sort of pull down, whether it's to $14, maybe if we get a big pullback down towards the 12, 13 range, which honestly I might buy more if we get down to that point. We shall see. But at this point, guys, I think we're due for a bit of a pullback, maybe this week at some point coming up. So get ready for that. Be mindful of that. And I'm also mindful of the fact that we might not get a pullback right now. It might happen next week, maybe the week after that. I have no idea. Because we also have to realize there are shorts in the stock. I think a lot of this move here, or part of it at least, was a short squeeze. So that could continue having upwards pressure on the price. The fact that there are a lot of shorts in the stock still. But man, we are in crazy waters right now, guys. I'm loving my average cost, $6.80. I'm loving it. But I wouldn't necessarily buy a fresh, brand new position with a significant amount of money where the stock's at right now. Because look, the market cap is at $17 billion, guys. Unreal. And just a couple weeks ago, when we were breaking down these numbers, the market cap was like a $7-8 billion market cap. So yeah, we have come up a lot. You guys can see right here, the PE ratio right now is at an 130 on a trailing 12-month basis. You guys see that, which is pretty nutty if you ask me there, guys. And pulling up their statistics tab, let me show you the short interest right now, or the short percentage of shares and of float. As of right now, Yahoo Finance has the short percentage of float at almost 16%. You guys see it right here, 15.75 to be exact. And the short percentage of shares outstanding, just under 15%. You guys see that right there. So, yeah, I think there could be more upwards price momentum on the price with shares. There's still a lot of shares being sold short right now. So keep that in mind there, guys. And let me see if I come. What's the come to this part here? Where is it at? Here it is. The forward P is a 74, so it's not. I mean, it's a lot lower than a 130, but the 74, it's still pretty high, even on a forward basis. Let's go to the analysis tab. This will show us the current year guidance for Sofi. And by the way, guys, run the likes up on this video. Make sure to subscribe. I think 75% of you guys watch the content, but you're not subscribed for some odd reason. So it looks like here Sofi for the current year, they're on average projecting 12 cents of earnings per share on revenue on average of $2.55 billion, which is up from 2.07 last year. Up 23% is what they're projecting, 23% revenue growth. Not bad. So those are some numbers here, guys, and really, when you're looking at that PE, it's a bit frothy, not going to lie. It's up there. But they just started getting profitable. They're going to grow into that valuation here over time. So obviously, we're not just solely judging it off that. I'm actually curious, what is their price to sales ratio right now? It's a 6.6. Okay, so it's up a lot recently as the stock price obviously has gone up. But yeah, not too crazy. Before it was around a 3, a lot more reasonable. But yeah, that's a quick breakdown, guys, as we're getting into this brand new week. It's going to get real. It's going to be interesting for sure. Obviously, I'm still a bull. I'm holding on to my shares. But the reality is we are a little bit overbought. That's the reality. We'll see. We'll see how it goes, man. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Hit the like button. Do not forget to subscribe here on YouTube. And of course, join the email list. It's free. I'm sending you all my top 3 stocks every Monday, and you might as well get your stocks. It's free money. Open up your account using that link down below. Fund it with at least $100. You get 5 free stocks and a $30 cash reward. And fund your account with at least $1,000. You get 10 more stocks. And overall, your uninvested cash for now will earn up to 8.1% APY, which, guys, that's a no-brainer. So check out the link down below or go to stocksurfest.com/Mumu, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Tell me what stocks you get in the comments. I'll see you guys later.